Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Discord password if you forgot it on iPhone. So if you're like me, use an iPhone, unfortunately Discord won't show you your password if you forgot it, and you need to use your current password in order to get or change it to a new password. So if you're like me using iPhone, there's an alternative choice. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings. Basically scroll a little bit down right here and you're gonna find passwords and you're gonna confirm via facial recognition and then type this code. You're gonna just type this code right here and you're gonna just see this is your email and this is your current password, and you're gonna, after you click the password, you're gonna be able to see your password number, and you're gonna be able to copy the password and then put it as a current password to your Discord, and then you're gonna be able to change it right away. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.